Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable biometric login for the Chime app on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the app and make sure your app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. Now, you need to log in first before turning on biometric. Simply tap your email and password to log in. Once logged in, you'll see your home page. Tap on settings at the top of your screen. Once you are inside your settings page, simply tap on account settings. Inside the account settings, tap on privacy. Now look for an option called biometric login, Face ID or Touch ID. Tap on the option, then turn the switch on. Your iPhone will ask for verification. If you are using Face ID, simply look for your screen, or if you are using Touch ID, place your finger on the home button. Once verified, biometric login will easily enable. And that's it. You have successfully enabled biometric login for the Chime app on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.